Today we're going to see how to change an engine air filter on a Subaru Outback 6th generation that runs from 2020 to 2026, I would say. They will be refreshing later. First step, open the hood. Second step, push it to the left. Step 3, secure the hood. Step 4, locate the airbox. In this case, it's to the left here. Just 2 clips. Pull it up and you should be able to pull this back, and your air filter is right here. This is a brand new filter, so you don't have to do anything but basically take this off fairly easily, and you put the new one in the same way. Make sure it all lines up, and this lid goes in bottom first. You can see the bottom latching first, the top mating properly. Put the clips back on, press here. Do not try to press here, press in the middle, and that'll snap. There you go. And that's how you change the air filter. Just put the new filter in when you take the old one out. And also I'll put the link in the description for Amazon filters, and you can pick one up and do it yourself, right? I'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on the same car in the next video.